The topic of this video is inputs in Python. For example, you wanna take the elevator and move to third floor. You go into the elevator and press 3 button, and it will take you to the floor. When you wanna do something like this in programming, you have to get the data from user. We have input method in Python to get data from user. It reads the line and converts it to a string. So data type of input is a string even if you enter a number. So when you want to get user's age and multiply it by 2, you have to create a variable called age, and in the middle of parentheses you type a message to show the user. So let's type some code. Age is equal to input how old are you? And if you press enter, you get how old are you. And I'm 20, so I type 20, and as you can see, 20 is near to your text, and it's not kind of cool if you type a white space here. It's more readable and it's easier to use. So you type 20 and press enter. And if you get the data type of age, you're gonna get a string, because the data type of input is string. And when you wanna turn string to integer, you type integer before input and put all of your code, all of your specified code in the parentheses. And if you press enter, if you press enter and again get the data type of age, you're gonna get integer. And now we wanna double the age, so we write print age multiplied 2 is equal to age multiplied 2. And if you press enter, you're gonna get error, because you can't concatenate string to integer. You have to change the data type, because this is integer, and when you turn it to string, it's not gonna cause an error. And we're done here. Thanks for watching.